Hello students, good afternoon. In this lecture, today we will learn about example based on working with indices. Okay, see here some examples. First one, write given expressions as a power of fraction. Means we have to reduce the given numbers in the power or fractions. Okay, right? See here. We have first example 5 cube into 5 raised to 4, which we can write by the law of indices. A raised to m into a raised to n will be a raised to m plus n. Means when there is multiplication sign, we have to add their index. So it will be 5 raised to 3 plus 4, which is equals to 5 raised to 7. Okay. Second one, 7 cube divided by 7 raised to 5. See here, division sign is there in between 7 raised to 3 and 7 raised to 5. So when there is division sign, we can write this number as 7 cube divided by 7 raised to 5. Okay. Now, which is equals to, we can write, when division sign is there, we have to subtract. 7 cube minus, this 5 will be in the numerator and it will be 7 cube minus this will be 5, that is 3 minus 5. Okay, which is equals to 7 raised to minus 2. How we can write 7 raised to minus 2? It will be in the form of 1 divided by 7 raised to 2. This minus sign will be cancelled here and it will be 1 upon 7 raised to 2. Okay. Next example, find the value of n. Here we have 10 raised to 4 into 10 raised to n equals to 10 raised to 7. Okay. Now we can write 10 raised to n equals to, this will be 10 raised to 7. When we shift this 10 raised to 4 to the right hand side, it will be divided to 10 raised to 7. So 10 raised to n equals to 10 raised to 7 divided by 10 raised to 4. Now division sign is there. We can write 10 raised to n equals to, in the indices we can write 10 raised to 7, and when we shift this 4 to the numerator, it will be minus 4. Okay. So this will be 10 raised to 7 minus 4. So 10 raised to n, 7 minus 4, it will be 3. So the answer is 10 raised to 3. Base are same, so we can write the value of n as 3. Okay. Now see here, we have 10 cube divided by 10 raised to n equals to 10 raised to minus 2. Division sign is there in between 10 raised to 3 and 10 raised to n. So 10 cube divided by 10 raised to n equals to how much? It will be 10 raised to minus 2 as it is. Now we can write 10 cube divided by this 10 raised to minus 2. Shift these terms. So it will be 10 cube divided by 10 raised to minus 2 equals to 10 raised to n. Okay. Now see here, in the denominator we have minus sign for the index. Okay. So when we shift this minus 2 to the numerator, it will be plus. So 10 raised to 3 plus 2 is equals to 10 raised to n. Now we have to add their powers, that is 10 raised to 3 plus this 2. So it will be 10 raised to 5, which is equals to 10 raised to n. Now base is same. So index is equals to how much? N equals to 5. Okay. Now next concept, write 25 and 625 as a power of 5. How we can write 25? 25 equals to 5 into 5, right? So how many times 5 is there? 2 times. So we can write this as 5 square. Okay, 2 times 5 is there, so we can write 5 square. Next one, 625. How we can write 625? It will be 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, 4 times, right? So 5 how many times? 4 times. So it will be 5 raised to 4 in index form. Okay. Now next question. Simplify given fractions. First one is there 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 5 divided by 3 raised to 6. So how we can write 3 raised to 4? It will be 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 4 times into, here we have 3 raised to 5. So it will be 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 5 times. Okay. Divided by 3 raised to 6. How we can write? It will be 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 6 times. We have to write 6 times 3. Now we will cancel the numerator and denominator here. We will cancel this 3, 1 and this 3. This 3 and this 3 will be cancelled. This 3 and this 3 will be cancelled. This 3 and this 3 will be cancelled. This 3 and this 3 is also cancelled. This 3 and this 3 also cancelled. And what is left now? 1, 2 and 3. That is 3 into 3 into 3 is left. That is 3 cube is left. Okay. Now next one. See here. We have m raised to 4 into m raised to 2 divided by m cube. When there is multiplication sign between the two terms, okay, so we have to add their powers. So it will be m raised to 4 and multiplication is there, we have to use addition sign, m raised to 4 plus 2. So it will be m raised to 4 plus 2 divided by m cube, which will be m raised to 6 divided by m cube. Okay. Now we have division sign here, m raised to 6 divided by m cube. So this still 3 will be shifted to the numerator and it will be minus. So m raised to 6 minus 3, that is m cube. Okay. Next question. Write each of these as a power of 2. Okay. Now see that what is the question here? 2 raised to 2 raised to 4. Okay. As we know the formula for 2 raised to m raised to n, it will be 2 raised to m into n. We can write 2 raised to m into n. So here we have to multiply its index, that is power. Okay. 2 into 2 raised to 2 into 4, that is 8. So the answer will be 2 raised to 8. Okay. And same for second one, 2 raised to 5 raised to 2 is there. So we have to multiply this 5 and 2. So it becomes 2 raised to 5 into 2, that is 2 raised to 10. Okay. I hope all of you understood the given concept of example based on working with indices. Okay. Thank you.